Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to block someone in Google Chat with iPhone. So first thing we have to do, just open the Google Chat application, open your app library and just tap chat. Whenever you got the Google Chat, go click to open it. Wait until it's perfectly open. The next thing you need to do is just find the account that you want to block. Let's say here I would like to block my friends here for a while. So you just need to go click this the name of the account, and now you just need to right away go click this block and rip. If you don't want to report, you just need to leave these boxes empty. But if you want to do a block and report, you just need to check the boxes. So I will let to block only, so I will let to leave it blank, and you just need to go click block. And now you already block those account, and the account conversation or the chat conversations will be disappear on your homepage. So that is the way how to block someone on Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.